atin natin lang to kasi may i-share ako sa inyo na for release pa next year, no? So as you can see, we have some new hard proofs fresh from the US, from the bicycle, and ipapakita namin sa inyo yung content na to for next year ToyCon, no? To. So when we say hard proofs, ito kasi yung for checking yung layout, colors, and yung placement ng mga images, no? Or yung mga graphics rather, no? And ito siya. So this is from, wag na lang natin banggitin kung para sa kung kaninong brand to, no? So kung mapansin nyo, kung kilala nyo sino to, edi good for you. Kung hindi, edi alamin nyo na lang next year, no? So we have two versions actually. The first one is the black, as you can see. Ayan yung mga artwork niya. And we also have the connecting artwork dun sa mga court cards niya. Ayan, mga connecting artwork yan. Ayan. Tapos we also have the connecting artwork for the red, no? Actually, sa totoo lang, parang matagal ko nang gusto yung ipakita sa inyo yung content, yung development, yung behind the scenes from concept to the actual product. Kaso nga lang, di talaga kinakaya na ang hirap na gawin, ang hirap ipakita. But siguro, ito na lang muna ang i-share namin sa inyo, yung mga behind the scenes sa mga project releases namin, no? So, next one, this is, hindi ito yun. Yung back design niya is this one, diba? Tama, no? Black. Ayan. Sige, pakihila muna. Ayan. So, this is the back design. Ganda, diba? And for the next version, this one, the white version. Ayan. Baliktad. Ito. Ayan. Una-una nyo mapapansin, differences on the numbered cards. Actually, lahat eh. Almost everything is different, no? Even yung connecting artwork niya dito, different siya from the black one, from the black version. And yung numbered cards nito, maganda kasi graphic style siya. It's not your typical numbered cards na hearts and all, no? Para siyang really good style on the graphic, no? So, ewan ko kung kilala nyo to, pero maganda talaga siya. So, this is the back design of the white version. Ayan. Sa unang tingin, nakala mo hindi siya symmetrical, no? But it's perfectly symmetrical. Very nice, di ba? Ayan siya. Very striking red. For the box, pakita natin yung box. May pangalan ba dito? Ayan. So, we have two boxes. First is the black and the white. So, more of this next year pa. ToyCon. This is one of our many releases at ToyCon. So, hopefully, aabangan nyo rin pati yung mga ibang release natin sa ToyCon. Yun lang.